How to cancel NGL Pro subscription. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now click on Payments and Subscriptions. Now tap on Subscriptions. Now here you can find your NGL subscription. Now under the subscription, you will find an option to remove. Tap on it to cancel the subscription. Now the other option is open up NGL application. Now tap on Settings. Click on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Delete account. Now click on Delete. Now this should cancel your NGL Pro subscription. You can always create a new account. It's not that hard. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our for more awesome content. Have a burning question on a special topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.